Welcome to Glossing Your Hair with Madison Reed Color Reviving Gloss. Start with dry hair. You also want to conduct a sensitivity test prior to application. Brush your hair to remove any styling products. Put on the gloves provided and open the tube of gloss. There is no mixing required. Starting on the side of your head, simply squeeze the gloss onto your roots. Massage the gloss throughout your hair and down to the ends. To ensure full saturation, use a comb or your gloved fingers to distribute the gloss evenly. Once you have finished applying, leave it on for 20 minutes or up to 35 minutes for maximum color and shine. Once your processing time is up, rinse your hair until the water runs clean. Then shampoo and condition. Enjoy your glossy, refreshed color.